So we're going to tighten the saw blade on this circular saw. Saw blades spin in a clockwise motion. The way you tighten them is in a counterclockwise direction, which is opposite of the way most things are tightened and loosened. The saying is always lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. But for a circular saw, it's backwards. So on a circular saw, you have a blade stop where you can mash it in, and then you can rotate the blade until the stop goes in, all the way into the housing. So you do it here and you hold it in, and now the blade cannot move. I need to change there we go. Starting to hurt my finger there. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, it's loose. So we're just gonna hold that down, and we're gonna tighten it using an Allen wrench. All right, it's all tight. We're done, let go, and now you won't have any problems with your blade wiggling. When your circular saw blade wiggles, that's when your lines become zigzaggy, and it also is a potential hazard for your safety. So make sure that everything's tight, and then you're good to go and cut straight lines. Thanks for watching.